Again, favorite place in the world until I get me some of this in Africa. And I'm just driving. That's not the house. That's the neighbor's house. My house is up there. Off-roading for fun. Just off-roading for fun. Came up here to empty my truck. Empty my wood. My firewood out my truck to be split later this year. Some cherry wood. And that's our private road right there. See, that right there, that's our pavilion. Usually I come up here and I dump and I get out, but still in my front yard. Saw a deer earlier. Yeah, but you gotta be crazy to want something like this. You gotta be crazy to even dream about wanting something like this. You gotta, let me put it a different way. You gotta be peculiar. But isn't that what we call it to be? Peculiar people. Tire swing that my kids play on. Cherry wood to sell it later. A little bit of crap down there. That's my woods back there. That's my woods back there. That's my woods back there. I haven't even seen the end of this property yet. I haven't even seen the end of this property yet. I'm told there's a mountain of this property that I haven't even seen yet. Top garden, got a duck in there too. Yeah, I haven't even seen all of the land that's mine yet. Some more firewood back there that we're gonna sell. Caught a couple foxes up here one day. Can you even see the mountain view in the back? It's Mom's old car. Here's the private road. Hopefully you can see this. Private road. Big function or something. There's our little creek, little river. This is ours too, up until I think that first tree up there. That house isn't ours, but the land up into that first tree, which I don't even remember. He's selling that horse trailer. Jesus said, I will give you rest. Can you see that? Can you see it? Ground tree services, landscape, and lawn care. Miracle. I'm trying to tell you, miracle. Y'all waiting for people to get up from the dead. That's a miracle too, but you need to recognize stuff like this. That's miracles. To come where I come from, not supposed to have that. To come from where my mama come from, she ain't supposed to have that. From where my daddy come from, he ain't supposed to have that. You consider my grandparents, what my grandfather used to do to survive? Nah. Hemp handy raws. My ancestor who was a slave. Nah. Miracles, man. Miracles.